Hello guys, welcome to the video. Blueprints are Unreal Engine's powerful node-based system that allows you to create nearly everything in the engine without needing to write a single line of code. If you're new to game development and haven't yet learned C++, Blueprints will be a game changer for you. It makes things much easier. For example, you can use Blueprints to make your actor run and shoot, trigger explosions, open doors, or even toggle lights, all without writing code. What's great about Blueprints is that it incorporates many concepts found in traditional programming, which will actually help speed up your learning if you eventually decide to dive into a language like C++. In fact, nearly all Unreal Engine developers, whether they're programmers, designers, or artists, rely on Blueprints in their workflow because it's fast, intuitive, and incredibly versatile. So, whether you're just getting started or looking to speed up your development process, Blueprints are an essential tool to know. Let's dive into it. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about 8 Blueprint best practices in Unreal Engine version 5.0 and higher. Please like, subscribe if found this video useful, and put comments if you have questions or just disagree with something.
So first, create blueprint for every actor if it has custom behavior you want to add it to. For example, if you have actor A, weapon 1, and actor B, weapon 2, and you want them shoot, reloaded, equipped and unequipped, then create 2 blueprints with particular logic for every actor. Do not put logic to shoot for actor A in blueprint of actor B, and vice versa, or any other blueprint, for example, level blueprint, because it will create a lot of mess in your code. You'll spend much more time to find the implemented logic while fixing some issues and improving old behavior. It will also affect people who read your code. So implement your blueprint consistently, don't do this mess. Second, combine duplicate logic at one common blueprint. Let me explain it with examples. Say you have 2 guns which have to be able to shoot. One is shooting with spheres, another one with cubes. So they have same behavior, it's shooting, but they have to shoot with different projectiles. According to this rule, do not create shooting logic in every blueprint if it's almost same and the difference only in few variables. It's much better to create third service blueprint. Create function with parameters. And put common logic there. Then use this function in both weapon blueprints. Following this approach, it will make your blueprint code a lot more readable and friendly. It will even optimize your game performance, because in that case, you will literally have less occupied space on your disk. Third, use blueprint interfaces for same categories or types of actors in your game. Another example with guns. Naturally, these 2 guns will start to shoot only when they are used by another actor, like main character, perhaps enemy, or whatever and whoever you can make. The main idea here is that the main character is holding a gun and have to run start shoot logic for gun to make it shoot. If guns have no common blueprint interface, then whoever or whatever will have to always check which type of gun it holds and run particular logic for. It could look like in this blueprint. At first glance, when you have only 2 guns, it doesn't look so bad. The problem begins when you need to add another type of gun, then one more and more and more. Finally, despite will have a lot of ifs, this file may become so big that it will hard to add new guns and support existing. Much better way is to create blueprint interface and add it to every gun. This interface have to have function which will be implemented by every particular gun. In that case, you'll have only one variable of interface type. Every gun can shoot through this variable. Every gun will have same method which will be launched based on particular gun it has. Fourth,
Don't write all your logic at one graph or function. Always move specific logic at a particular function or macro if it's possible. However, this code looks useless. I think you'll got the idea. Every node here represents part of jump process, and it will be much easier to read this code if we just select all these nodes and collapse to function with proper name, jump. Fifth, do not create global variable if it's gonna be used only in one place at particular function. Create local instead. Sixth, use macros when you have a lot of repetitive latent nodes which cannot be put inside a function. It is one more way to make your blueprint code easier to read and get rid of duplicate codes. Seventh, use search for fast interaction with blueprints. There are 4 options of search in Unreal Engine 5.4. If you want to find where the same name is used within current blueprint, choose option 1. If you want to find where the same name is used within all blueprints, choose option 2. If you want to know where exactly this variable is used within current blueprint, choose option 3, and choose option 4 if you want to know all places with this variable within blueprints of entire project. Eighth, always use naming conventions suggested by Epic or by your project. You'll probably don't notice it straight away, but as your project grows, it will help you analyze your classes and find what you need faster. For example, if you want to find all blueprint characters within a folder, type in BP with underscore. If you want to find all skeletal meshes within the folder, type in SM with underscore. And this is only one of tricks which you can do with naming conventions, so always use naming convention. These were 8 best practices that my colleagues and I always follow on our projects. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. If you have more best practices with blueprints or found misconception, put your comments below. Have a fantastic day and take care.